Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can choose custom sounds when you plugged on your iPhone. This is the charging sound that I'm talking about. You don't need any third-party apps, it's already built in your phone. So let's start the video. First of all, go to the shortcut application. It will be on your phone already. Just click that option, and here click the automation on the bottom, click it, and here just click the plus icon on the right corner, and here on the search button just search charger. Here it is, the option, and here select the is connected option, select it, and after that select next. And here you can see different types of options: speak text, sound record. So if you wanna change the music, just type music on the search option here, and here you can see the recently played and played option. Select that and choose the down. If you want to download any music that you like and set it to your charger, just download it and select that one. And after that, every time you plugged on your phone, the sound will be the customized sound that you just selected. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.